Good morning, Random Travels! Happy Vlogmas Day 2! Alright, we got it! I got the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So I'm gonna open my advent calendar. Good morning, Random Travels! Happy Vlogmas Day 2! And we're gonna go out and get a drone. Come and join us. Let's go to Best Buy. So it's raining today, but it's not gonna stop us. Let's go get the drone today. Alright, let's go! Alright, so well, it's not very early, but it feels like it is because we just woke up. I just woke up. We're gonna go to Best Buy and get our replacement drone. And this is another tip for you guys out there who plans to travel full-time and become a content creator. Make sure when you buy your gadgets, especially the expensive one, get an insurance because anything can happen. Just like us, we had our drone probably like only 2 months in on our trip, and I pushed it to the limit. You know how they said at 25% of the battery you need to bring it home, and you know, the more you kind of get comfortable with it, you kind of push it. So I push it at 10%, and out of nowhere it just says emergency landing, and it was like on top of, and it was over the water. So I tried, like, oops, sorry about that. So I tried to press it home, but it just wouldn't follow the command anymore. So I guess that's why they really recommend for you to return it home at 25%. That's what happened. Basically, it swam on the water. Good thing it's like close by the bay already, so I was able to just, you know, walk on the water and find it. Luckily, we bought insurance for that one, and we're still within insurance. So we went to Best Buy, and I also highly recommend to buy gadgets at Best Buy because it's just so easier. There's a lot of Best Buy stores here in the US, so you just go there as long as you have your receipt and everything. I mean, actually I didn't have my receipt. They were able to find it on the system, on their system, because I'm a Best Buy member. And then, you know, they just ask you how it got damaged, and then from just based on your description, they're like, okay, we'll just give you refund so you can buy, you know, a new drone rather than trying to fix it. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm trying to get the replacement now because we're trying to bring the drone with us in Europe, and let's see how many cities we can fly it to. And also, you know, just for me and Eric can practice probably 1 or 2 days before we fly. We're actually flying pretty soon, and yeah, we still haven't packed. Alright, we're here. So here's the DJI, but I believe this is the new one. So it's 909, it's Mini 3 Pro. Yep, that's the one, babe. This one is really for travel, very small. They have some stocks, babe. Oops. So they do have some stocks. So we'll be able to bring home one today. Alright, we got it. We were gonna buy the extra battery, but they don't have one in stock, so it'll do for now. So we got it, and we got the insurance again. So once it's not raining, we're gonna play with it. Very excited, yeah.
Why? What you got?
I get the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and this is very useful right now if you're into content creating, because it can record both the landscape and the portrait way. So I'm happy to play with this. The remote has a screen now, so you don't have to use your phone all the time. Good morning, Jaku. So this is our dog, Jaku. This is our doggy, and this is Mom's Christmas theme for this year. She went for fuchsia or pink color because that's the color for next year, I believe. And then she just reused this socks. It still says 2021. Every year we always buy the real tree, but this year we just went with the plastic tree one. So that's Mom's Christmas theme. And I have my chocolate advent calendar. There's a lot of advent calendars available out there. They also have coffee. We did that last year. I want something that is small that I can bring with me when we travel out. This one works. Look how cute this Genomi, is that how you call them? Nomis, right there. And here's Mom's Christmas village area. Alright, so I'm gonna open my advent calendar. So let's see what's the chocolate for today. Alright. It looks like the chocolate eggs in the Philippines. You remember those?
Surge.
Surge?
I think it was Surge.
I don't know, but kung taga Pilipinas mo, you guys remember, and especially if you were born in the 80s, remember we have like a chocolate like this, like the egg chocolate.
Me too.
Next year, if you plan, you can always like buy either chocolate. They also have tea. They also have coffee. Me and my sister really loved the coffee last year. It's Keurig, is that how you say it? Keurig coffee. About 5 years ago or 4 years ago, when I attempted to do like a Vlogmas, I actually made my own advent calendar, and I put like I put makeup on it. You remember that?
Yeah, and then candles.
And candles.
What is it?
It's a white chocolate.
Yeah.
It's good. I like that. But yeah, pretty good. It's Kinder chocolate. I love Kinder chocolate. Alright, we're gonna eat breakfast now.
Hi, vlog.
In a happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
Alright, so I'll be making a coffee. Here's my favorite part, putting the creamer. There you go.
Thank you.
Nana's cooking some bulinaw, fresh from Philippines in Bohol. Alright, I'm inside my room right now, and I'm gonna continue to edit the Vlogmas video for today. It's 1 o'clock and I have to finish it before 5 because my goal is to be able to upload my first Vlogmas at 5 p.m. every day. So yeah, I'll be working for I don't know how long, but hopefully by 5. The goal is by 5 p.m. it should be done. Alright guys, so I just finished editing and I'm running late with the time, so I'm gonna be uploading later than 7 p.m. But I finished the first video. I hope you guys like it, and today, sorry if the video is just very simple. I'll try to come up with a plan tomorrow. But yeah, wow, I had a lot of footages and I didn't expect that I would take that long to edit. And that's one thing about editing, like I really get into it and I want it perfect, and yeah. But anyway, it's done. I'm just waiting for it to finish to export, and then I'll go ahead and upload it on YouTube. So hopefully it'll be up before 9 p.m. Alright, here's an update. It's now uploading. 16 minutes left. Earlier it was like 45. I already have a thumbnail ready. It's gonna be a tough Vlogmas. I didn't expect it's gonna take this long. After hours of editing, finally I can eat. My sister made some soup. It's a ramen. Oh, it's a ramen. Alright, random travels. I want to end the vlog here. We're just walking Chaco for a bit. And hopefully tomorrow I will have a better content, but hopefully you guys still enjoy the very simple day on our day 2 of Vlogmas. I'll see you guys tomorrow.